Back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 451 sort characters by frequency. It's a medium problem. Yesterday I recorded the video like literally at like 7, but I kind of forgot to post it. So I mean, if you guys still want to see the solution, I might just show it at the end. But yeah. So let's read the description. Given a string S sorted in decreasing order based on frequency of the characters. The frequency of a character is the number of times it appears in the string. Return the sorted string. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. Okay, so yeah, I just guess they just want us to return a string and it's sorted by the frequency. So see, E has the most frequencies and then RT, but it doesn't matter. Like, it could be TR as well. And then here, these could be any way, it doesn't matter. And then here is just two B's, and then so capital A and non-capital A is different. I mean, that really works better for us. So let's go ahead and work on this. So we're gonna use our favorite one of the favorite items from collection. The structure, we're gonna use a counter. So we're just gonna count all the frequencies, right? And then what we're gonna do is we could do this. We could do, and then so what this is gonna do, this is a counter function. So this is just gonna sort it by the frequencies, literally what we need. And I'm pretty sure this does it like in faster time than, I don't know. I heard like something with heaps or nah. This should just be n log n. Okay, so now we'll just initialize the final. So what this is gonna do is gonna return a tuple, right? So the first one would be the like A, B, C, and then the second one would be the count. So we could just do for letter, num, and count. So this would just be the first value, and this would be the second, and then we could just do yeah, this should work. Okay. Okay, it's decently fast. Let's see what the top 1% did. Okay. 8 on keys. I don't even want to look at all this. All I know is you got lucky, probably. Not even. Maybe you didn't. Okay, for yesterday's challenge, let me just, oh. Yeah, this one was, okay, let me just, this was just a test, because that's what I seen, like the top one. What they did is they basically just replaced, like in the actual Leetcode files, they replaced that, so it was like way faster, but I mean, they still had to do the same thing. So group anagrams. Given an array of strings, group anagrams together, you can return the string in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So here it's eat, tease, tan, all this, and then so bat is separate, nat and tan, they can be derived from one another, so they're together, and then same thing for this. And yeah, and it's only lowercase. I mean, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. So this is kind of like the other one. So we're just gonna call something. Let's call it A for anagrams, and we'll call it. We're gonna make a default dictionary, right? This is kind of this is like a pretty easy way to solve it. You just have to, like, after you see, you just have to keep it in your head. So like next time you see, you just instantly think of this. So now what you have to do is you have to iterate through the string, right? So for s in, so we're gonna go through this, right? And then we're gonna do something like call it key, right? So the key value. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort the string, right? But to sort it, we have to convert it into a tuple because uh like this way we can store it in the like as a key value in the hash map because that's what you need. So what this is gonna do is gonna just sort it, right? So nat and tan if they're or nat and tan when they're sorted, it would be like A, uh, and then the other ones. I don't know which one comes first off the top of my head. And then for like here, this two, and then it would be like A E T A E T. They'll all be A E T if they're sorted, right? So once they're sorted, we basically have a key value pair right there, right? So if we see that again, then we can just add it to the list, right? To the list of this. So just because this basically creates an empty list if there's none, and then if there is one, then I'll just add it to it. So we'll do A. So A at key, right? So sorted key of the two things are the same, and we would just append S because at the end we still want it in this format, right? And yeah, and then what we would return is return yeah, list, right? Because our thing is currently a dictionary, and I do a dot values. Yeah, so this would just because we don't want the here. Let me just show you guys. Here, we'll just do it after. Run. I mean, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? See? So first is eat, and then T, and then it's just tan, and then something gets added to that, and so on. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna return a. Does it have to be casted? Oh no, I thought it did. Let me just check. I didn't check it without. Probably does. Okay, it doesn't. Submit. Okay, yeah. So it then have to be casted. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty fast. And then that solution that I had on there, yeah, these people they opened the user dot out and then wrote to it. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. I'll actually post it.